Mr. Monkey. Yeah. Do you like him? He's very colorful. You gonna give him kisses? Yeah. Where's your kissy noise? Can you make it? Oh, there you go. Puckering up. Good job. Here, you want to take him? Take Mr. Monkey. You grab him. Oh, wrong hand. Put the hand up that you have him in. Do you like him? Is he funny and colorful? Yeah, he's funny.
Jamie is 3 months old, and he just tonight grabbed for the first time and also made kissing noises, but he's not doing it now.
You can do it. Yeah, come on. Here, make kiss noise. Oh, there you go. That was you. There you go. Yeah, you getting tired of this? Here, can you grab him? You want to grab him? He's over here. Oh, there kisses. Oh, now you're doing it. Yeah. You figured it out. Yeah. Okay. There you go. You got him. Oh, you let him go. Yeah, he's very funny, isn't he? Mwah. Mwah.